If your car jerks when accelerating, it can be alarming and frustrating. This issue disrupts your smooth, enjoyable ride and may cause panic. Here's a rundown of possible causes and solutions. Clogged air filter. The air filter keeps debris out of the engine but can get clogged over time. This restricts airflow, causing the engine to run rich and jerk during acceleration. Regularly changing the air filter as part of your maintenance routine can prevent this issue. Clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter restricts fuel flow to the engine, causing jerking. Over time, sediment builds up in the fuel tank, leading to clogging. Replace the fuel filter periodically to maintain proper fuel flow and avoid this problem. Faulty fuel injector. Dirty fuel injectors can disrupt the air-fuel ratio, causing power loss and jerking. Fuel injectors play a critical role in delivering fuel to the engine efficiently. Cleaning the injectors with a special additive can help restore their function. Faulty EGR valve. The EGR system recirculates exhaust gases to reduce emissions. A stuck-open EGR valve can cause the engine to run lean and jerk during acceleration. Cleaning or replacing the valve can fix this issue and improve engine performance. Transmission issues. If the gears don't shift smoothly, the car may jerk during acceleration. Transmission problems can range from minor issues to more severe malfunctions. The transmission control module might also send faulty signals, affecting gear shifting. Have a professional check the transmission if you suspect an issue. Bad MAF sensor. The MAF sensor monitors airflow into the engine. A faulty sensor can disrupt the fuel-air balance, causing jerking and possibly triggering the check engine light. Cleaning or replacing the sensor can help restore the correct air-fuel mixture. Bad fuel pump. A failing fuel pump can cause jerking and other issues like sputtering and reduced fuel economy. The fuel pump is responsible for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine. Replace the fuel pump at the first sign of trouble to ensure smooth engine operation. Bad spark plugs. Spark plugs need to be in good condition for proper combustion. Fouled plugs can cause jerking and power loss, affecting overall engine efficiency. Regularly replace spark plugs according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule to avoid this problem. Bad ignition coil. The ignition coil works with spark plugs for combustion. A failing coil can cause jerking and make it hard to start the engine. The ignition coil plays a crucial role in generating the spark needed for combustion. Replace the ignition coil if needed to maintain engine performance. What to do next? Car jerking can often be resolved by reading the trouble codes with an OBD2 scanner to identify the issue. Routine maintenance, such as changing spark plugs, air filters, and ignition coils, can help. Check the fuel system components, including fuel pressure and fuel injectors, and ensure the fuel filter is clean. Inspect sensors like the mass airflow and oxygen sensors for faults. If problems persist, consult a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair.